I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I live in New York now. I live in New York now. About 3 years. About 3 years. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. It's sunny and warm outside. It's sunny and warm outside. Yes, I had lunch a little while ago. Yes, I had lunch a little while ago. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. They're doing well. Thanks for asking. They're doing well. Thanks for asking. I love painting in my free time. I love painting in my free time. I'm going on a picnic with friends. I'm going on a picnic with friends. It's been busy, but productive. It's been busy, but productive. I'm not really into movies. I'm not really into movies. Yes, I love checking out new places. Yes, I love checking out new places. Yes, I've been to France and Italy. Yes, I've been to France and Italy. I'm making rice and veggies. I'm making rice and veggies. It's raining pretty hard. It's raining pretty hard. Yes, I'm watching a comedy. Yes, I'm watching a comedy. I'm painting the living room. I'm painting the living room. Yes, I like reading. Yes, I like reading. I'm definitely a dog person. I'm definitely a dog person.